Today we are going to make Kiwi Fresh Cream Ice Cream Milkshake. Pour in 300 ml of milk which has been boiled and cooled. Pour in 15 ml of fresh cream into this. Put in 1 scoop of ice cream. Here we have put strawberry ice cream. You can use the ice cream of your choice. Skin the kiwi and put in the pieces. Now all these pieces can be taken in the mixer grinder. Now grind all these pieces in the mixer grinder to make a smooth smoothie. Put in 3 spoons of sugar. Now mix well in the mixie. The Kiwi Fresh Cream Strawberry Ice Cream Smoothie is ready and can be served. This is the final Kiwi Fresh Cream Ice Cream Smoothie or Kiwi Fresh Cream Ice Cream Milkshake.